Needless to say, the healthy we eat, the healthy we are. Yes, to make something healthy, we have to be healthy. I'm making something healthier today. I'm using quinoa. Yes, it's better than porridge, more fibrous and more nutritious. Gives you a lot of protein. I'm using quinoa in a soup today. Quinoa lentil chickpea soup. Join me for this recipe now. Start making the quinoa soup. I'm using almost a teaspoon of oil in my pan. Now we start adding all the veggies. First goes almost a medium size diced onion, seven to eight mushroom will go along with this. At this point of time, just keep the flame on medium and start adding the mushroom, diced mushroom. Once it's lightly sauteed, we add the rest of the things. This is almost one small sized diced carrot. I will be using some more carrot from my veggie stock, which I have already prepared before the soup. Now we add almost 7 to 8 diced garlic. Let's add the seasoning, almost a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of black salt, almost 1 tablespoon of black pepper. You can add green chilies if you want for the taste. To this I am adding almost 1 cup of boiled chickpeas. This is boiled without salt. And 1/4 of a cup of whole green dal. It's a green pulse. I have just warmed it for some time in water. It's not cooked. It will cook in the soup. Just drop it inside. Let's add the quinoa now. This is almost half a cup of quinoa. Looks like almost similar to a porridge, but much more fibrous and high in protein. So it's uncooked. This will cook in the soup now. Mix them well and now add 2 pureed tomatoes, almost 1/4 a cup of tomato ketchup, for some more Italian seasoning I'm using thyme and oregano. You can skip this portion if you don't want that seasoning in the soup. You can add your normal masalas. Mix it well, and now it's time to put my vegetable stock. This is almost half a liter of vegetable stocks. I have mixed all the veggies and kept it on low flame for almost 1.5 hours to cook, so that all the flavors of the veggies come into the water. I'm using a carrot which is already used during the time of making vegetable stock. Mix everything well, and now let it come to a boil, and then we close it and keep it for almost 30 minutes to cook. Now once it starts to boil, just keep the flame on low and cover it with lid for almost 25 to 30 minutes till this quinoa cooks well and the whole soup becomes a little thicker. Let's check our quinoa now. It's been more than 30 minutes. So if we see, this is almost dried up and quinoa has been cooked very well. Let's add the last ingredient, that is the last veggie. Goes the spinach. I've just chopped the spinach roughly. Almost handful of spinach goes into it. Mix it well. Now we add almost half a teaspoon or almost 1 teaspoon of corn flour into milk. Just mix it well with this milk. This is almost 1 cup of milk. I'll add another cup to it. Mix it well, and now just drop this milk into the soup. Here goes the 1 cup, and I'm not adding the second one into it. And now we just give it a stir one more time. If you want, you can add coconut milk or heavy cream for that extra creaminess in the soup. And now we let it cook for almost 5 to 10 minutes more to get that creamy consistency into the soup, because almost everything has been cooked and the spinach won't take much time. Just cover it and then cook it for almost 5 to 10 minutes. So we have kept this soup for 5 to 10 minutes after we have added the corn flour slurry. Let's see how well it has cooked now. The soup is very creamy now, and it has holded a good consistency. Now we can switch off the flame and put it in a bowl. Here you go. Your quinoa lentil soup is ready. Enjoy it with bread or whatever you feel like, and do write a comment how it was. तब तक देखते रहिए मेरे चैनल को और वेट करिए आगे आने वाली रेसिपीज़ के लिए. टेक केयर, हैव अ नाइस डे एंड बी सेफ. बाय बाय.